What's up, YouTube? It's gonna be the first sled ride of the year. We got me, Tyler, Matt, got some other guys behind us. We're going up kind of northeast Minnesota, Grand Marais, Hovland area in hopes of some good snow. Hopefully they got roughly what, 2 feet? Roughly. They're hoping for.
Should have over 2 feet.
Yeah, should have over 2 feet. Hopefully we don't have much back at home, but I got a new sled. Tyler's got a new sled. We just rebuilt Matt's sled last night, so hopefully that works out good. But we're itching for snow, so we made about a 3.5 hour drive, and we're getting there hopefully pretty quick here. All right, YouTube, we met up with some boys. We're gonna rip.